MyTrip.city AI just launched, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before even thinking about planning your next trip with it, especially if you want to avoid wasting time on yet another overhyped AI travel tool. Stick around, because one of these will probably save you hours of research and stress. And yes, you can try this software completely free from the first link below. So, what exactly is MyTrip.city AI? In short, it's an AI travel planner that builds fully customized trip itineraries in seconds using real-time data. Think ChatGPT, but trained specifically for travel. Flights, hotels, local experiences, even hidden gems. And here's the kicker, it doesn't just generate a basic checklist. It gives you a complete itinerary with timings, locations, and links to book everything, tailored to your travel style, your budget, and even your pace. Now, most new AI travel tools fall flat on execution, but MyTrip.city AI is surprisingly smooth. The user interface is clean, fast, and, importantly, it doesn't require a learning curve. You just input your destination, dates, and preferences. Within seconds, it hands you a visually appealing, day-by-day itinerary that actually makes sense. One of the smartest features, it adapts on the fly. Change your mind about a museum or want to slow down your pace mid-trip? The AI adjusts your plan instantly without starting from scratch. That's a level of flexibility even big-name travel apps haven't nailed yet. It also pulls from live data. You're not getting recommendations from 2021 blog posts. MyTrip.city AI uses current info on opening hours, traffic conditions, weather, and even local events. That alone makes it more reliable than 90% of the generic itinerary builders out there. Let's talk real-world use. If you're a digital nomad, solo traveler, or someone planning a complex trip with multiple stops, this AI can shave days off your planning time. I've tested hundreds of travel and itinerary tools, and most either overload you with options or don't personalize enough. MyTrip.city AI nails the balance. But here's a heads up, it's still early days, so some niche locations may not be as detailed as popular cities like Paris or Tokyo. That said, the AI is improving fast, and even now, it's better than most of the mature options on the market. And here's the real reason you'll want to use it till the end of your planning process. It doesn't just suggest, it gives you direct booking options. That means less hopping between tabs, less price comparing, and more actual planning done in one place. Before you book anything for your next trip, give MyTrip.city AI a test run using the free link below. And if you're curious how it compares to other AI tools I've personally reviewed, check the description. I've listed my top recommended AI softwares that you can also try for free after testing thousands of them. Thanks for watching.